I start by creating a function dot product uv and make sure like the first value is always 0, so answer equals 0. And for I in range of all the elements of u, that's right here is the answer with already 0 plus what's it called 1 the first value of u times the first value of v, and it starts over again to the second value of u times second value of v until you use all the elements of u and multiply by the elements of v, and then return the answer. Later on I could return to be able to print the answer. So I was trying to find a way for me to ask you to input a list of number, the user to input a list of number. Every time I do that, then I input, even if I input the correct way, it's saying there's a problem somewhere. I don't know how. But once I just did print product underscore print dot product print dot underscore product, and I put the list instead of using UV, I put the list here. It works for some reason. I don't know why. I tried to do integer, but since we're trying to make a list, it's not working like that.